Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a cooking video. Today we're gonna have some pasta. Bell peppers, diced tomatoes, and I got the one with garlic. Up to your preference. I really don't like to pepper, salt, onion, and then I have the crushed red peppers, but I'm gonna use this one because it's small and it's cute. I have the chicken boiled, and then the vegetables, I'm gonna chop them up right now, and then the pasta is already ready and drained. So yeah, so right now we're gonna get started on cutting the vegetables. I do have a bowl just to mix everything in, and I'm gonna be mixing an onion, green pepper, and then a red pepper. Since it's just me and my man, we don't really need a lot of food, so I'm not gonna even bother cutting the yellow one. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cutting the bell pepper, and you guys can cut it up to your preference. I honestly kind of cut them like in the long ways, or sometimes I'll make it like half so they're not that long, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I cut them in halves and I washed them because, you know, you always gotta keep them clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop them up right now. I personally like chopping them up like this, and then I'll just put them in the bowl after I'm done. But so right now I'm barely gonna chop them, and don't judge me how I chop because I'm not a professional. I never took a cooking class. Nobody taught me how to cook. So, you know, you gotta learn all by yourself. And this is probably the wrong knife, so I don't even care. So, yeah. And just always make sure you wash your hands before and like during when you're cutting up vegetables or like meats, especially chicken. But yeah, I'm gonna chop them up like this. Put them in my bowl, and my bowl is right here. Have the red and the green so far. Let me see if I have a different knife. The onions, and I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm not gonna chop these up. Okay, so I have my chicken right here, and I've already boiled my noodles. This is a penne. So I'm gonna shred this chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it with the noodles and put the tomato sauce in there. So this is how I shred it because I don't know how to do it with the fork. I personally don't know how to shred besides with my fingers because that's how I was taught when I was younger. My mom would always have me shred chicken whenever she would make like tinga. Okay, so as you see that I have the pasta and the chicken, I did already drain everything out, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, even though it doesn't have much. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some tomato sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is my can opener that I bought on Amazon. I freaking love it. It does all the work for you. You see that? Got it for like 20 bucks, but it's actually worth it. So I'm gonna just put that in there just so my pasta doesn't burn. And I actually put about like 2 of them. And then I have the diced tomatoes right here. Yeah, I'll just put some of this too in there, just so it gets all warmed up. Grab another pan and just put it on the side right here. And I'm gonna just kind of saute my vegetables. So yeah, I know you guys can't see this, but I'm sauteing the vegetables. I'm just gonna cover crushed red peppers. Don't mind it, it's from Pizza Hut. Only because they charged me like $1 for this. So now I have like 2. So just gonna put crushed pepper just to make it a little spicy. And then add some salt. And then some black pepper. I personally don't measure anything. It's all about taste, so just gonna mix it in there for now. I'm gonna actually add some garlic powder. So this is the garlic powder that I use. I'm actually just gonna sprinkle a little bit everywhere.
So now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cheddar jack cheese on top of it. Me and my boyfriend are cheese people, so we love cheese. So I'm gonna put a handful in there. Or 2.
Okay guys, so your plate should look like this. I did put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on it, and you can add more pepper if you like, but we're gonna go ahead and do the taste tester.
Okay, so now that we got our plate done, we're gonna go ahead and do a taste tester.
So you can always serve this with like garlic bread or like salad. I don't have either, and I'm not gonna eat much because I already ate, but I'm just leaving this for my man, and so I can take it to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of each item in here. Having a little bit of trouble. And actually when we first met, this is like the first thing I made him because I had a potluck at work when I used to work at Pollo Loco. So I had leftovers, so I took it to him and he loved it. So I have bell pepper chicken and noodles and tomato. I think it's tomato, bell pepper actually. So we're gonna go ahead and do the taste tester. This shit's actually hella fire. Like I said, I like my bell peppers kind of crunchy and kind of like soft, so that's what I did. And they're like actually just perfect. So yeah, here's another bite. It's actually pretty bomb. Really good. Thanks for watching, and if you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe and let me know if you guys attempted this recipe or if you're gonna go to the store and go buy the ingredients to go make this. But thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe and go make your